Ever find your synth melodies sounding a bit thin? You've got a great idea, but it just doesn't fill out your track like you hear in professional productions. Don't worry, we've all been there. First, pick your main anchor synth sound. This will be the foundation, so choose something strong and present that carries your primary melody or chord progression. Think about its character. Is it a rich pad, a cutting lead, or a solid bass? Next, bring in one or two supporting layers. These aren't meant to compete, but to add texture, harmonics, or a wider frequency range. You might use a brighter synth an octave up, or a darker pad to fill out the lower mids. Now for the magic. Use EQ and panning to carve out space. Remove conflicting frequencies by cutting lows from brighter synths and highs from darker ones. Then, pan your layers slightly left and right to create a wide, immersive stereo field. Here's a pro tip. Less is often more. Don't layer just for the sake of it. Each layer should serve a purpose and contribute to the overall sound, otherwise you might end up with a muddy mess. Layering synths can truly transform your productions from good to incredible. Keep experimenting, and you'll find your unique sound. Your journey to mastering music production starts now. Learn more at Sikho.ai.